Kajing kapnya bakajing sakot kali hanong ba Shillong kadi kajingja ka baki briu manla kasi manla kapor hak tiwing hak dukan hak yau ki hat hak jika ya briu ki yakran na kapor shakapor bakani kala shisha kumdo ban Pynkylluid ya kanong ba Shillong bat khamtam kumdo ban pelai na kajing dheng kali umatri na ba kajalau konrat sangma ule thu ba dangshen ka Sorkar kala penlong ya kajalang ka Pyndonkam hakabah kani kajalang hapo kajing punya jong Urban Affairs Department kalau don kajing keren ban shim i Jaka ni kita tikam jong Sorkar ya ka bakila shubu kum tu klam Pyndonkam hakani kajalang le thu umatri rang ba bakila don katu kat ni kita tikam jong Sorkar ke mana menjur ban ai ke Jaka ke jongki ke ba Pyndonkam shu kawin ni Jaka ke Jaka jong kat forest ka badan hapo polu akaba na kalian ke Sorkar kan shimti kani ke Jaka barkan penlong ya ka kum ke Jaka sange kalila ni kata parking lot shushu akan ni jarang le peru ikilat kelenti kumdo bagi Jaka ki balang yau la ma Pyndonkam no kum ke Jaka sange kali akan juga poru akan ni Jaka sange kali la batei ke dukan khnang ban ailat ikipai ba bakin jalek menyathi jing the tan ka wi ke Jaka ya ka DPR jo kanila nak penkhre le thu umati rang ba ka jala kadi ke jing Pynkylluid kan ba Shillong ka konthobru ya ka jing Pynkylluid ya ka secretariat ka badan menta shaka Jaka ka bathma ka ta new Shillong ban tei ya ka new secretariat shushu nakalang jong umati rang ba ole thuru mana kalang jong ka Urban Affairs Department kan Pynkylluid ya ka ni DPR ya ka ba khmi nanti man pendap la ko mono ho banai risau jum ta kasnam ban au banai no pra la ban Pyndonkam no ya ka jing thu
we had a very important meeting for Shillong City. And this meeting was attended, was anchored by the Urban Affairs Department, but was attended by departments like the Forest, PWD, MECL, and other departments, and the ministers concerned were there. And we have seen a very exhaustive presentation where we were given the details of different land banks that are there, or I should say lands that are owned by certain departments but not being utilized in the most efficient manner. And like for example, there are certain forest department lands that are there. Just to give you a small example, which then you'll be able to relate to, that forest department has one piece of land which is right in between the hotel in Polo, Majestic Hotel and Orchid. There is a plot of land which is owned by Forest Department, which is just lying vacant. So like that, there are many locations which are actually not in use or not being optimally utilized. We have more or less come to a conclusion and decision, which of course details are being worked out, that most of these lands now will be given to Urban Affairs. And we will now construct different parking lots or different utility systems, different beautification, different commercial spaces in many of these locations across the state, across the city. And this will then facilitate the entire process of us leading to a massive program for decongestion of Shillong city, which obviously also includes the process of the new secretariat, which again I'm going to share is in a very advanced stage. We are preparing the DPR now fully. The agencies to make the DPR has already been selected through a proper selection process, and we expect a DPR and master plan sometime during the month of October to be presented to the government, and by December we should be able to finalize things, and we expect things to move very fast in that also. So like that we'll be doing. So this skywalk which you mentioned, we will be having this connection for this to PB and from PB to other locations, and from Barik also to other locations. And all these lands that we have worked out, which are belonging to the state governments, different departments, will be then, as I said, which are not being utilized in the most productive manner. Of course, with the agreement of the department, we're not snatching anything. Whichever department has agreed, only with them we are working, and most of them have agreed because we showed the maps to them, and they have agreed that the utility is not there.